Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video we will be tasting the new Essence 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick. So I will be doing lip swatches as well as hand swatches, and we're going to check if they are transfer proof. So if that is something that you would like to see, then please keep on watching. Okay, so you guys know the drill. For price as well as formula and ingredients, please check out any of these 3 timestamps over here. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up as well as subscribe down below. So the new Essence 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick comes in around about 9 shades. I have 3 shades here. I have 02 Dark Face, and then I have 3 Down to Earth, and then 5 Date Proof. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove my lip gloss that I already have on my lips. So they already are a little bit moisturized. I'm not going to moisturize my lips, but I will definitely suggest that you do moisturize your lips before applying any liquid lipstick that is matte whatsoever. Okay, for the first shade, we're going to go in with Dark Face. Now this is a very beautiful, almost, it's like a nudie pinky shade. And for the smell, it's your standard like chemical, that sweet chemical, smell. Like I said, the shade is that perfect pinky nude shade. Okay, so I only needed 1 dip of the application. I'm going to wait a little just to dry down. It's giving you quite a reasonable time to kind of clean up if you messed up anywhere. So let me just move you a little bit closer so you can see what is happening. Okay, so we're a little bit more up close and personal, and you can actually see my lips that are drying down. So like I said, this is the perfect nude, especially if you are more on the fair side. It did dry a little bit more pinker than the doe foot applicator, so it's a little bit more pinker. So the shade is quite comfortable on my lips. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is kind of, it is sitting a little bit into my, finer lines on my lips. But if you don't like the look of that, you can easily just apply a gloss over top if you wanted to. Let's see what the removal of, the liquid lipsticks are, because I know some formulas are quite difficult to remove. Okay, so it's taking a little bit of elbow grease to remove this. It's a little bit difficult to remove. Okay, so now let's move on to the second shade, and that is a more like peachy, it's got a more like a peachy pinky undertone to it than the nude, kind of nude pinky one. And this one is called Down to Earth. This one is a little bit darker than the first one, but still in it still has like a pink undertone to it. So this one is way more pinkier than the first one. Really, it almost has that neon peachy undertone to it. But my lips are completely dry. My lips are completely matte. So I can understand why they are calling this now the non-transfer mask friendly lip, because it is lightweight on my lips and completely like smudge proof. Okay, and now moving on to the last shade that I have, and this one is called Date Proof. It's a really beautiful kind of like purpley pink, almost mauve shade. Again, same chemical, that sweet kind of, it almost smells like a cupcake, like cupcake icing. This shade is a little bit more darker than the previous 2. As the name says, it's perfect for a date night look. Let's see what the application is like. Okay, so this one is, like I said, a little bit more on the darker side, a little bit more mauvey, vampy almost. Not completely, it's still in the nude category, but definitely perfect for date night. Dry down quite quickly as well, but I definitely love about these 8-hour matte liquid lipsticks is the application is so smooth, and you like literally just need one swipe and the pigment is there. So it is definitely highly pigmented like Essence claims. Again, super matte on the lips and very comfortable. It really does not feel like I have a matte liquid lipstick on my lips. So let's quickly look at packaging, formula, as well as ingredients. The Essence Stay 8-hour matte liquid lipsticks will cost you around about 76 to 77 Rand at Dis-Chem, Superbalist website. They retail for around about 83 Rand. If you are not from South Africa and you are purchasing from the US, they will roughly retail for around about $4 to $5 US. As for the packaging of the Essence 8-hour matte liquid lipstick, we have a very sleek and slim kind of tube that comes with the doe foot applicator. It has that beautiful long and slim doe foot applicator that makes it quite easy to apply, you know, just one swipe of product. As for the formula of this liquid matte lipstick, it is a matte long-lasting lipstick. The ingredients are, as mentioned by Essence website, contains beeswax, jojoba oil, as well as sunflower oil, which is actually going to help you keep that moisture in your lips. It's not going to dry out your lips. I think that is all for this video. Let me know down in the comments which one of these 3 liquid lipsticks are your favorite on me. Which ones have you tried? Which ones would you like to try out? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below for more Essence related and other beauty reviews. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.